Disney keeps shocking the world. Since D23, it feels like something new has been released every single day since it's happened. We first got that Rivers of America was actually going to be replaced. It was leaving us by Cars Land and Villains Land, which I have to say, a lot of people have been in uproar ever since its announcement. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. I myself even have to say that I'm not very sure about Cars going into Magic Kingdom, but I can say that I'm pretty excited to actually see what it might look like in person. I don't agree that maybe it's the perfect thing for Magic Kingdom, but at this point in time, anything new, especially with such a massive expansion, is really exciting for me. Now, almost exactly a week since the first day of D23, we've now got another announcement, or leak, however you might want to say it. We now know exactly where Monsters, Inc. is going inside of Hollywood Studios, and it's not where you probably think. Since its announcement, Monsters, Inc. is all that anyone could talk about. With so much excitement in the air, it's no wonder where people were puzzling on where this might go. This land is going to be massive and super immersive into the world of Monsters, Inc. Prime areas of interest of where this might go actually were north of Rock and Roller Coaster and kind of a wooded area. And then also, which a lot of people were sad to see, Muppets. And I have to say, my idea of where it was going might be controversial, but I was kind of hoping Muppets. I don't really enjoy that area of the park all that much, and I know some people love the Muppets, but for me, I've just never had a strong connection to there. So I was actually kind of excited to see something new that might go there and then save the wooded area and Rock and Roller Coaster for maybe a retheme of that area completely. Disney had a secret third option up its sleeve that shocked the world. The winner, Star Wars Launch Bay. For years, people have complained that Hollywood Studios is just not cohesive and difficult to traverse. To get through one end of the park and get to the other, you literally have to run laps. It's not cohesive. I have to go back and forth if I want to get anywhere. There's no loop, there's no easy travel that I can just kind of take my time and get around the park. But now, this is all about to change. If we take a look at the aerial view of Star Wars Launch Bay, it is almost the perfect fit for Monsters, Inc. show building. The models and the artwork almost show a perfect fit for the current show building. Now yes, things will have to be demolished, but on top of that, we will now get a loop behind Star Wars Launch Bay, connecting Toy Story Land all the way to the other side of the park near Sunset Boulevard. Without a doubt, this will fix almost every problem when it comes to transportation of this park that allows for easier access for everyone to get around. So what is it going to take to actually do something of this matter? Well, the show building will have to be demolished, or at least part of it will. But for sure, the offices behind the show building will definitely be gone. Without a doubt, this is one of the biggest expansions that Disney will have ever done, tying in close to Galaxy's Edge. I'm super excited about what this expansion will bring to Hollywood Studios, along with a new state-of-the-art coaster, first of its kind inside of a Disney park. With all the excitement in the air, I can't wait for them to break ground. What problems will this bring to Hollywood Studios? Well, things might be walled off and construction might be crazy for a couple of years. So get ready for things to shut down, the park lines to be crazy, and maybe we might get something like this in the next 2 to 3 years. Now, we all know that the show art and everything that Disney announces is always subject to change, but I'm really excited and hoping that Disney kind of sticks to its guns here and goes all the way in. Just throw as much money they can at this project, not only to have something crazy immersive that we've never seen before, but hopefully to get done in a timely manner. I'm expecting that this type of expansion won't be done until probably late 2028. But if Disney can possibly get enough manpower, maybe even sooner. Let me know what you think. Do you think that this park expansion will be one of the best of its kind? And how fast do you think it'll get done? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to keep up with all things Disney related. I'll see you next week. For now, go out, be you, be great, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.